So I've been using this Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brightening Foundation. Now this is a powdered, but it's not, because it's not cakey like a powder. Because it's been baked in there, it applies totally different than any traditional powder out there. We'll go ahead and use the one I've been using for a while instead of breaking into my backup. So when I initially purchased all of this, I did go ahead and purchase their brush, and it just makes it super easy to apply this powder. It is great for maturing skin. Makes me feel like I have nothing on my skin. Now, depending on how light or thick you want it to go on, all you have to do is reapply if you want to go on a little thicker. However, no matter how many layers you put on, it doesn't get cakey. So if you have maturing skin like mine, you may want to consider the Laura Geller Baked Foundation. It really does make your skin feel quite lovely, and you won't even know you have makeup on.